In this video, I'll show how to use two related scripts in InDesign: links grep relink and links grep rename. These scripts change or rename existing links of placed graphics using regular expressions. This assumes you know how to use regular expressions. If not, search the web. You'll find plenty of results. I'll demonstrate the scripts in Windows. Both work the same on Mac OS. I have a simple layout to demonstrate. Only 3 images. On the left is the Links folder. In the Links panel, you'll see these placed graphics are currently linked to low-res JPEGs. It's in the name of each. We've all faced this challenge before. We want the high-res placed instead of the low-res. Not a big deal for this simple example, but for a layout with many links, doing each manually is time-consuming. In the Links folder, I have the high-res STIFF. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. I already have both scripts installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script links grep relink. Double-click to run it. First, the script needs to know what to find. In this case, we want to remove the text -low res and change the extension .jpg. In regular expressions, the period is a command meaning any character. So for an actual period, we need to escape it with a backslash. For every match to this pattern, we want it changed to .tif. To ignore letter case, click the checkbox. Then the pattern matches whether upper or lower case. Last is the folder to search for replacement files. In this case, it's the same folder, so it's already set. If the replacement files are elsewhere, click the Folder button to select another. To proceed, click OK. In the Links panel, you can see the images are now linked to the high-res. We're done, and would be even if the layout had hundreds of images. That's handy. Next, I'll show the script links grep rename. Say the links are the right files, but we want to change the names, the link and the file name. In this example layout, see how the names have a chapter number. Let's get rid of that. Back at the Scripts panel, in the list, double-click links grep rename. It's the same as the last script, except without the choice to select the Links folder. Changes occur wherever the files for the links are currently located. In Find What, I'll enter ch \d plus \period \d plus and a space. This matches the letters C and H, then one or more digits, a dot, then again one or more digits, and a space character. This should match the excess we want to strip from the file names. For Change To, make it empty. This replaces each match with nothing, the same as removing it. This could just as well change to something else if that's the desire. Click OK. There's a warning because this script makes changes to files on disk, and there's no way to undo it. Ensure your files have a backup, then click Yes to proceed. In the Links panel, you can see the names are updated. And in the Links folder, the files are renamed as well. The low-res are still there, but these are unaffected because they're no longer linked to the document. These are simple examples of what the two scripts can do. Using more advanced regular expressions, tough relinking and renaming challenges are easily solved. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.